convert 65 base 10 to base 9. Now, solution. The first thing, what do? You draw your table. The number we are converting, 65, to what base? Base 9, write it here. Now, 65 divided by 9, what do we have? That will be 7. Because 9 times 7 is 63. So that will be remainder what? 2. Divide by 9 again. 7 divided by 9, 0. Remainder what? 7. Don't forget to take it from bottom to up. Your final solution. Now what do? What are you going to write? We now have 65 base 10 to be equals to what? The first number down, 7, followed by what? 2 in base 9. That is the solution to the problem.